Hello! We have arrived at JSJ Goat Farm and it's around 7 o'clock in the morning. It's time to see the milking of the goats. Let's now go and see where the milk of the farm comes from. Oh, the goats are already excited on their way to the milking parlor. Come on, let's hurry. Oh look, here are the goats coming. One by one they go into their stations. The first step is they need to wipe the udders of the goat with warm cloth. Next, they need to wipe it with a dry cloth before we can proceed with the milking. To make sure the milk will not have any impurities, they need to squeeze out a few drops of milk. Then after all the necessary preparations are done, it's now time to attach the milking machine's cloth to the goat. the goats will now return to their pens. Here are the Saanen goats from the milking before, now resting in their pen. Here are also some Anglo-Nubian breeds that are in our farm. So we have seen how milking is done in JSJ Goat Farm. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do us a favor and like and subscribe this video.